sit down with my homie here. He does not want to talk to me. So this is our dating video. Surprise, guys. This is us. We're about to have our first kid. His name's gonna be Cusco. We might have a twin, call him Kronk. What do you think about that? Huh? Silent as always giving me the silent treatment. Yolanda, come on. What are we doing today?
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
One at a time.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Clown.
She can show.
Ugly as hell. What you do with those big ass buck teeth?
It literally is like a horse.
Go for it. Go for it.
Come on, eat it.
Float. No.
How about carrots? You like carrots more? Come on. No. Come on, you gotta have it. Come on. Do it. Yeah.
You playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
Hi, this is my pet llama.
I'm Larry the llama and I love you.
Shh, not here, Larry. Oh, I wish I was a llama in a great big llama world.
It's not gonna happen today. It's not gonna happen. Alright. Boy, you was dirty. Take a bath. Take a bath.